Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Beats Studio Pro static noise. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Beats Studio Pro if it has or experiences some static noise in here when you're using it. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So in this case, the first thing that you could try doing is you may want to check for any wireless interference here. Now, static noise can sometimes be caused by interference from nearby devices like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, especially iPhone, Apple Watches, or even like your computer. So try using your headphones away from those electronics and see if the static actually improves or disappears. And also, you may want to update your firmware here. So make sure your Beats Studio Pro is running on the latest firmware. So if there's an update available, install it. Might resolve the issue. So you can do this through the Beats app or via your connected device. Now, also, you may want to reset your headphones here. Now, this is the most common fix. Now, you want to just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, and you see the fuel gauge LED blink white, and then you'll see one red blink here, and that's your signal to release the button. Now, headphones will automatically restart here, and in many cases, this alone clears up the static. Now, in this case, you could also try using a different device here. So to figure out whether the problem is with your headphones or your device you're using, try connecting the headphones to something else, like another phone, laptop, or tablet. In this case, if the static is gone on the new device, it might be your original source causing the issue, or your original device that you're trying to use it. And also, sometimes it may be because of the active noise cancellation, or ANC. So some users found that disabling ANC helps eliminate the static noise here. So if you're not in a noisy environment, try switching it off and see if that clears things up. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.